boys that didn't know me in me old Scalara hat. It was pouring like me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was built 100 years ago, and little no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Scalara hat. Hey! Queen of England just a week ago today. She shook me warmly by the hand and asked me home to tea. Harry Pat, says she, I'm glad to see you're looking so fine. In fact, when all the times were staring at me old Scalara hat, it was pouring like me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was built 100 years ago, a little no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Scalara hat. It was pouring like me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Scalara hat. It was pouring like me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Scalara hat. A regular lady dazzler is me old Scalara hat. Hey!
Let's learn The Man with the Hat. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn The Man with the Hat. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward with a hitch. So you're going to walk forward right, left, right, and then you're going to bring your left knee up into a hitch. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, and as we do that, you're going to bump your hip left, right, left, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do step backs with kicks. So you're going to step back with your right foot, kick your left foot forward. Step back with your left foot, kick your right foot forward. We're now going to do a coaster step with a stomp. So you're going to step your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and we're going to stomp our right foot forward, and you're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your back kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your left over your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. Touch your left next to your right. Step back with your left and hit your right knee up. Now there is some styling that you can do for that section. When we do our step touch forward, you're going to dip your hat. When we step back, you're going to slap your knee with your right hand. So as we step forward slightly into the diagonal with our right, and as you touch, you're going to pretend like you're dipping your hat. Then you're going to step back with your left, hit your right knee up, and slap the outside of your leg. And that is the whole dance. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our stomp and hold. You're going to do your jazz box turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. So it's walk, 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 hitch, step side, bump, 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 touch. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Back, kick, coaster, stomp, hold, jazz, box, quarter, turn, step, touch, back, hitch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2. So you'll start wall 2 facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to the 6 o'clock wall or our back wall. When you get here, you're going to add on an 8 count tag. The tag is just walk forward with a hitch, walk back with a touch. I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see what it looks like, and then we'll practice it to the back. So we would have just finished our hitch. So you're going to do your walk with a hitch. So it's walk, 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 hitch, back, 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 touch. That is the tag. After that, you will start the dance from the beginning. Walk with a hitch, step side, bump, 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 but to the back wall. So let's try that tag to the back with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just did our hitch with our right. You're going to do the tag walk with a hitch, back with a touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're ready to start the back wall with your walk with a hitch, step side, bump, 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 touch, and into your grapevine. Now, the dance is going to end facing the side wall. All you're going to do is do your grapevine to the right, and you're going to do your grapevine to the left. But instead of touching your right next to your left, we're just going to make a quarter turn, stomping forward with our right foot to face 12 o'clock. And that is how you're going to end the dance. Your final wall is wall 10. So you'll be dancing the side wall. You will do your walk with a hitch, step side, bump, 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 touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, but instead of touching, quarter turn to face the front, and that is your ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk, so it's walk with a hitch, step side, bump, 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 touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, step back, kick, coaster, stomp, hold, jazz, box, quarter turn, step, touch, back, hitch, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag, walk with a hitch, back with a touch, start over, walk with a hitch, step side, bump, 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 touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, back, kick, coaster, stomp, hold, jazz, box, quarter turn, step, touch, back, hitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the man with the hat. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I'm regular lady, that's it's me, Oscar Lara.